Hello, friends. Welcome back to more trading signals for cryptocurrencies. Today is the 18th of March. So, right now we see that for the first time in basically days, almost an entire week, we have a powerful retrace, a powerful correction, which obviously was the one that I was expecting. However, we only touch on Solana around 88. So, I'm thinking it can go even lower, at least to the third level, which is around 86 right here. So even lower possibly because I still maintain that the bottom has not been reached just yet. It's going to take some time, and the only difference is a matter of when. Because I was really expecting this move to occur by basically right now around March. Uh, if it takes more time, then it's going to be kind of complicated to say the least. Because, well, at least for me, that means I'll have to close my shorts at profit, yes, but not at the massive profit that I wanted. Maybe that means I will have more opportunities to short, especially if we go back to previous levels like 95, 94, even 96 could be very good levels to short for another time. But yeah, as you can see, at least on Solana, on 10 hours, it's already red since last night. On Ethereum as well, you can see it's also red, and we also saw a very powerful correction. And this will be basically replicated among all other coins. There are really no exceptions to this crash that we saw today. The key question right now is basically, can we go even lower? That is basically the main, um the main concern right now. Can we go even lower? Because this structure, and note, I do have a very, very small experience in normal trading stuff like concepts like patterns and stuff like that. I have already told you guys that I only have around 3 months of trading experience doing futures or perpetuals on crypto. What I did before that was basically just investing using the power of basically predicting the future. But yeah, so what I do know, and correct me if I'm wrong, any of you who knows about this, but what I know is that this pattern right here is called a bear flag. That means it's going to go down. It's bearish because it's kind of a bull trap. As you can see, it's kind of baiting many people into thinking that is going to go even higher, 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 and eventually it's going to. I mean, many people are delusional and they think that the bear market has either not arrived yet, or it's going to be an extremely short bear market around only 3 or 2 months, which is obviously impossible. The bear market is always at least 8 months. It can go shorter, yes, but not 3 months. I mean, that's extreme. So yeah, this is a bear pattern right here, a bearish pattern. That means it could possibly be the very start of that massive crash that we are going to see. Obviously, some coins will differ in respect to what how low they are going to go, but at least in Solana, I expect this to go back and touch this level again, either below 70, possibly even around below 60, 70. Because those levels, I believe Solana can go even lower for the cycle. Solana could go as low as maybe 30, 29. Yeah, that could possibly be one of the lowest positions of the cycle for Solana. So we have to wait a little bit more time for that to happen. But eventually it's going to come to pass. Eventually we're going to see the price go down again and basically just plummet and go back to possibly another low, because it's just a matter of time, guys. It's just a matter of when it's going to reach that. So what I really do what I'm really doing right now is basically holding my short. But if I do see that we break this high and go even higher, maybe on Solana could be around $100. If that happens, that basically invalidates my scenario, at least in the near time future. Okay, because that basically means to me that it's going to take a lot more time, possibly another full month, before we can see that movement again, before we can see the price basically sweep these lows and even possibly lower. If that does happen, again, in the worst case scenario, it will only take 1 or 2 months. That's what I can expect. Maybe it can happen on March, but my predictions for March, like I told you in the very beginning of the month, was that this month was going to be of a better performance than February. That usually means either a green month or not as bad as February. So we'll have to see how it goes. I'm prepared to see this. I'm prepared to wait for a little bit more time even after March. But again, if it goes higher than this level, if it reaches 99 or 100, then that basically tells me it's time to close the short either at minimal profits or just break even, and then just continue doing my other strategy, which is basically just doing the key movements, okay, the key zones of the price. Like I said before, I'm not interested in doing just in risking my money for only 10% or 30%. That's not my style. I don't like scalping either. I usually do scalping from time to time, but it's not my main strategy because I do have a life, and that's actually why I really enjoy trading in this day trading strategy that I have, because it allows me to do many other things that I just could not do if I was trading scalping or meme coins, which is also something that I already kind of put in a hold. It's on temporary pause. I was doing meme coin trading for a time. Really didn't like it. Okay, I really don't like the meme coin vibe right now. It's very different from what I used to experience back in the day, 2 years ago, something like that. Right now, it's absolutely cancer. So I don't really even recommend doing meme coin trading. Um, Eventually, it's going to could take. Well, eventually, I do have a strategy for that, and it's a profitable strategy. But again, it's not worth my time, guys. I mean, anyways, guys, I don't know why I went on on a tangent with the meme coin. So that's basically all I have to say. If you want to get access to the indicators, to predictions, to whatever, just email me and I'll try to answer to you as soon as possible. Okay, you will have to understand because some people email me constantly, so I have to check the email, and those people have the priority when it comes to getting quick answers. So take care, have a good time, like, share, and subscribe for the work. I'll see you guys next time.